Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Spice's 10th album seeing numbers on Spotify. Now the Queen of Dancehall's debut project has officially surpassed 503 million Spotify streams. Early this year, the project earned Spice her second silver certified single in the United Kingdom with the track Godongde featuring Shaggy and Sean Paul. The album was also nominated for a Grammy in the Best Reggae Album category. Now, on the international scene, pop star Kesha is calling out the Trump administration after the White House used her music on TikTok without her permission. The video, which has left a sour taste in the pop star's mouth, was posted to the White House official TikTok page with the caption, "Lethality," layered with her 2010 hit, Blow. In a social media post, Kesha said it's come to her attention that the White House has used one of her songs on TikTok to incite violence and threaten war in the wake of the United States attack on Iran. The post read, "Trying to make light of war is disgusting and inhumane. I absolutely do not approve of my music being used to promote violence of any kind." She continued by saying, "Love always trumps hate. Please love yourself and each other in times like this. This show of blatant disregard for human life, and quite frankly, this attack on all of our nervous systems is the opposite of what I stand for." Now, according to the CNN, a White House communications official responded saying, "Criticism only boosts views counts." Now, Justin Timberlake is suing over his DWI arrest, hoping to keep police body cam video of the arrest in New York private. The star singer's lawyers argue in court documents that releasing the video would be a violation of privacy and cause harm to his reputation. Timberlake was arrested in Sag Harbor, New York in 2024. The town had previously planned to make some of the footage public. However, those plans are now on pause amid the legal battle. Benito Bowl shatters global viewership records. According to Apple Music, the NFL, and Rock Nation, the performance racked up more than 4.1 billion views in just 24 hours across broadcast, YouTube, and social platforms. Following the show, Bad Bunny's music accounted for nearly a quarter of songs on Apple Music's daily Top 100 global chart. His halftime set list also became the most played on Apple Music. Organizers say the numbers reflect not just a record night, but a defining moment for global music culture. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.